So you might remember that Roblox actually leaked a new Dominus that was coming out. Yo, major correction, I meant to say Domino Crown. I don't know what I smoked today. People were speculating if it's gonna be a new limited, if it's gonna be in the gift box. What is this gonna be? I'm happy to announce that we finally know what this Domino Crown is actually for. So Rollymons actually posted that this is in a virtual item bundle. It turns out you're gonna have to spend $200+ to get this Fractured Domino Crown. Now back on May 27th, we didn't know what this was for and people were just speculating, but it seems like this is another like virtual code plug, and for $200+, it looks like dog dude. I don't think this is worth it. If you go to Amazon and go to the gift card section, you can see that it says includes exclusive virtual item for the 200 bundle. And honestly, I'm just not sure if it's worth it, because we had something called the Platinum Domino Crown that is really cool. But with this, you have to purchase like, I think it's like a 10,000 Robux thing, and it was honestly pretty cool. I think that the Platinum Domino Crown looks pretty nice. It's honestly not bad. It's a good hat, but I like this way better than the other hat piece. The only really good thing about the Fractured Domino Crown is that it actually glows. So if you've seen a screenshot, if you were to wear it in Catalog Heaven or something like that, or a creator, then you can see that the Domino Crown glows, people. This is absolutely amazing. But I need y'all to comment, tell me, do y'all think that this is worth $200+? I mean, if they're making it this high, they gotta make this limited, bro. It looks like the Infernal Core Block speaker. Like, I don't know if y'all know, but it literally looks like dog doo-doo. Like this, I think this is way just, it's too rusty. I don't like the scheme of the colors. But hey, if y'all want to do this, I'll leave everything in the description, then you guys can do it yourselves to buy it. But honestly, I'm gonna pass just this time. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye, chat.